Hi, welcome to Jack TV. For you the viewer that are watching me out there, to all the viewers that are watching me out there, I'd like to thank you for taking your time for watching. What I'm about to share with you, it's real story. Things that went through my life when Jesus called me. I'm from Haiti. When I see the things that are going through in Haiti, I came from Haiti since 1993. There's always some kind of political issue that's going on that never let the country be on its feet so the country could have, the people in this country could have a better life. They keep on fighting every day, every single day. They want a better life. They want, because the basic things sometimes they need in life. The food, just to put food on the table. Basic thing. Just to have food. Be able to take a shower. Be able to go to school. To have the spiritual life. Jesus. To be in life. But the captivity of all those things, it's like I was called to a mission. It's like Jesus put me into a mission because I've been asking Jesus, give me this, make me see things more clearly, make me understand things more clearly, and use me. And I was put into that mission, but it wasn't just for Haiti. But he want to set an example. Haiti has to be the example to show around the world how we can take a country from poverty, because Haiti back in the day was to be the richest island, but it became in the poverty. Since we can take that country from poverty, now all eyes is on Haiti, all nation is on Haiti. Since the earthquake happened to Haiti. So now, because when Jesus is when God is doing His work, He could take the tiny country, the little country that nobody never thought of. Because remember, Haiti make his story once, He could make it twice again. So now, they could take that country from poverty by rebuilding that country the right way it's supposed to be. In the name of Jesus Christ. To have those people, the children, the people in Haiti, to educate them, to give them the right knowledge, the knowledge that could do things better for them in life. They could have a better life. They could live a better life. Since when He created that example, He could take Haiti as an example. And now after that, you could go to Africa, could go to other places like Asia, could go to Iraq, places after places. Because Haiti was the first black country that took independence to take out because they want something better for their life. They keep on fighting, they've been fighting decade after decade. They want a better life. So now, once I was calling, I see myself in every time. I see myself in a vision, like in Haiti, like I'm flying like a Superman, like I'm flying like a Superman, like all over Haiti. Put my hand, say Jesus is coming. Jesus, you have to take Jesus. Get away from that voodoo thing. Man, it was a call. It was a big call. And that period of time, it's like I'm in position where I see myself in so many places. But I see myself in Haiti most of the time. Because since He made His story, He couldn't make His story again. So now all eyes on in Haiti to rebuild that country for all Asians, to put them head together Not just Haitian, all nation. Because you could see that when that earthquake happened in Haiti, all of a sudden, all nation, all eyes is on Haiti to rebuild Haiti. So that can prove to people that we could be a better world when we put our head together to create to put a country together, to let's say to take Haiti as an example, to rebuild Haiti. Because most of the time, those guys in power, most of the time they worry about money. It's just a paper. Why? Put people to work. We cannot say because it's already it's there. We have to live with it. We cannot say we're not living without the money. It's part of our life. In order for us to motivate people to put people to work, why don't we put a lot of them out there and put people to work? Make them be constructivity. I mean, to build things, to create things, to make things happen. Why is that? I mean, to build a better school for people, better education. They can have better education, hospital, better road, because people in Haiti living without, most of them living without electricity, and all that type of thing. So he wants us to take Haiti as an example. So all nations right now are on a test. All nations are on they're on watches. They because they're on watch. Because to do the way they're gonna rebuild Haiti, not just Port-au-Prince, the capital, the whole Haiti, and then we can take other places afterward. So this is my story to you guys. For you, I'm gonna leave a word with you. If you don't have Jesus now, this is the time, for you to have it in your life. Don't waste no time, because Jesus is coming soon. Thank you for watching Jack TV.